Hi, welcome to MathTricks. In this video, we want to solve for m in 2 raised to power m plus m equals 5. Let's see solution. We have 2 raised to power m plus m equals 5. So from here, this will become 2 raised to power m equals 5 minus m. So we transfer this here. So here we divide both sides by 2 raised to power m. So you can just say divide both sides by 2 raised to power m, and if you do, we are going to have 2 raised to power m equals 5 minus m, this divided by 2 raised to power m, and this divided by 2 raised to power m. So we have this divided by this, we have 1 equals 5 minus m divided by 2 raised to power m. So and this can be this will be this, so we have 5 minus m multiply by 2 raised to power minus m. So this is a negative index, and if you simplify it, you are going to get this back. So therefore, we have 5 minus m times 2 raised to power minus m equals 1. So from here, we can move further from here by saying multiply both sides by 2 raised to power 5. Let's say multiply both sides by 2 raised to power 5. And if you do, we are going to have 5 minus m times 2 raised to power minus m times, so we have 2 raised to power 5 here, equals 1 times 2 raised to power 5. So here, let's recall that if we have a raised to power x times a raised to power y, so these are product law in indices, or you call it multiplication law. When number with equal base have been multiplied, their power are added. So we have a raised to power x plus y. So applying this to the above, we are going to have 5 minus m, then this is 2, this is 2, so we have multiply by 2 raised to power, so we had minus m and 5 equals 2 raised to power 5. That's 1 times 2 raised to power 5. So we will have 5 minus m times this, right? So we have 5 minus m times 2 raised to power minus 5m. So, and you can see that this can easily becomes 5 minus m multiplied by 2 raised to power 5 minus m, right? So equals 2 raised to power 5. So let's recall that if you have the Lampant function of a multiplied by exponential a, this is equals a, right? So, and if you have exponential log 2, this will become 2 because exponential will cancel log. So we will have 5 minus m, right, multiply by exponential log 2. So because we have 2 here and it raised to power 5 minus m, or you say m minus 5, still the same. So 2 raised to power 5 will give us 32. So we have 5 minus m, right? So exponential. So this exponential, you can take this back, 5 minus m multiplied by log 2 equals 32. So we multiply both sides by log 2. If you multiply both sides by log 2, we are going to have 5 minus m log 2, right? So multiply by exponential 5 minus m log 2 equals 32 times log 2. So from here, we will have 5 minus m times log 2 multiplied by exponential 5 minus m log 2 equals, this will become, let's 32 comes here, so we have log 2 raised to power 32, right? Applying the Lampant function, you can say applying Lampant function. So we have the Lampant function of 5 minus m, then we have log 2 multiplied by exponential 5 minus m log 2, right? So equals the Lampant function of log 2 raised to power 32. So, but let's recall that if you have the Lampant function of a multiplied by exponential a, this is equals a. So if we apply this, we are going to have 5. Okay, sorry, we have Lampant function of 5 minus m log 2. Okay, sorry, we've already gotten our Lampant function of here to be 5 minus m log 2, right? So equals the Lampant function of log 2 raised to power 32, right? So we'll have to divide both sides by this, by log 2, I divide both sides by log 2, and here by log 2, right? And we know that this will cancel this, right? So we have 5 minus m equals the Lampant function of log 2 raised to power 32 divided by log 2. So, and we have, if we collect the light time, we are going to have m equals, we have 5 here. So, and if we transfer this Lampant function here, we have 5 minus the Lampant function of log 2 raised to power 32 divided by log 2. So here we have our value. So this our value of Lampant function of this is approximated to be 0.99, right? So, and our log 2 is approximated to be 0.3010. So if we simplify the above value of m, we will have m equals 5 minus, what's the value of Lampant function of log 2 raised to power 32. So we have 0.99 divided by our log 2 is 0.3010. So we have m to be 5, right? So minus 0.99 divided by 0.3010 give us, is approximated to be 3.29. So, and if we do the subtraction, we are going to have 5 minus this, we are going to have 1.71.